Here we have a Miller Deltaweld 302 welding power source. We got it hooked up to a Miller 22A wire feeder and also to a MIG gun. And we got this hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power, and we're going to show you that it works. This unit does have a triple E on both of the screens, which I'm not sure what that is, but I think we believe that you need to change out the card right behind the screen right there. But other than that, everything works. All the adjustments work. So we're going to go ahead and show you a weld here. It's a little hot, so we're going to turn it down here that bit and try to get a better weld here. We aren't using any gas, so you see the welds are a little funny. That's probably why. Try one last one. We'll adjust it just a tad bit there. It's a little bit better right there. Yeah, it's probably a little low. And we'll go one to the very highest, so you can kind of see the power on that. It definitely gets a lot hotter. Okay, that is the Miller Deltaweld 302 welding power source with a 22A wire feeder.